A Trip to the Province is a research and development project that was originally created in 2015 in the region of southern Ostrobothnia in western Finland. The project focused on exploring how acoustic design can strengthen local food culture through cultural heritage from the perspective of music and sound. We wanted to study how the local sounds of nature and the traditional music can make connections between locally produced food and how one could build a dining experience to emphasize these findings. In our project, the acoustic design means combining the sound of nature, music, and the environmental sound as a basis of a dining experience designed from the perspective of cultural heritage. To emphasize locality, we wanted to break away from the normal urban restaurant environment. In order to get the best touch on the locality, the music culture, locally produced food, we carried out a restaurant tour where the fine dining restaurant traveled on a tour of the countryside of our region. We set up a restaurant in places that are very atypical restaurant environments. An electrical plant, a linen factory, and an art gallery in a village house. The goal of our project was to implement a dinner that would use local ingredients in food, but also in other elements that make up the dinner experience. Music, lighting, and visual elements such as video projection and photography. 3 different locations on A Trip to the Province pop-up restaurant tour served as a case study where we analyzed the use of musical sound as part of multidisciplinary space and sound design. The study investigated whether it is possible to represent local experiences through acoustic design. There were 5 detailed research questions. Based on the results of the study, it can be indicated that acoustic design can add to the experience as part of personal and collective meaningfulness tied to a specific physical location. These elements can be combined with the local food experience as part of the overall food practice. The findings from the project were later refined into the multisensory dining concept, which aims to emphasize the experiential dining experience while understanding the importance of locally produced organic ingredients and how they should be taken into account in future food culture of healthy and sustainable foods.